guys, and I'm going to address this video mainly to the guys because women will understand this far better than most men will. But guys, if you've never had your hair washed by a hairdresser or had a scalp massage by a hairdresser, do yourself a favor, go and book in an appointment at a hairdresser's and just get your hair washed. There's nothing more luxurious and invigorating and nurturing than lying back in the chair, resting your head into the basin and having a beautiful woman just wash your hair. In other words, pour the warm water over your scalp, massage the shampoo in, rinse it off, and then wrap it in a warm towel and dry it for you. It's an amazing experience, it's a very nurturing experience, and it feels amazing. So, the purpose of this video is to talk to you about how to give yourself a great scalp massage. And I found this very useful for two reasons. Number one, to release my stress levels to make me feel relaxed and amazing. But more importantly, I did it initially for a vanity purpose. In other words, I was getting areas of balding or patchy hair, and you can see in this picture it was looking pretty bad. It was affecting my self-confidence. It was very noticeable, and I was thinking, do I go and get a hair transplant? Do I get plugs? And I definitely didn't want that. So I started to research and examine the natural ways of improving blood supply to my scalp, and a massage is a big part of that. But more importantly, when the muscles in your forehead and the base of your skull are under tension, it pulls your scalp very tight and it prevents you getting good blood flow to the area, in other words getting nutrition to the hair follicles, and it also prevents your circulation from getting rid of waste products. So a scalp massage was probably the pivotal thing that I did to help regenerate and stimulate hair growth again. Now there's a whole bunch of things I did with my nutrition, with my lifestyle, that I talk about in the blog post below this video. So if you want to find more, click on the link below the video and you can read all about it and find out exactly what I did. But these are the results after about 15 months. So the process I'm about to explain, I did this for 2 to 4 times a week for about 12 months, and these are the results. So first things first, get 2 hand towels is what I use, put them in a basin of warm water and just let them soak in there. And the first thing you're going to do is you take one of those towels and wring it out so it's still damp but it's not dripping. Wrap it around your head and then get either some coconut oil or some ghee. Now the great thing about ghee, it's clarified butter, very high in the vitamins A, D, E, and K, very good for the scalp, very good for the skin, or coconut oil, whatever works best for you. If it's cold weather and the coconut oil is solid, again, put it in a small bowl or put the jar inside a bowl of warm water until it melts, and then just dip your fingertips in it and start off by lightly massaging your scalp around the temples, over the forehead, around the base of the skull. If you find any tender points there, just work away at them. And around the base of your skull, I find it useful to really get my thumbs into the tight areas and apply direct pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds until that spasm starts to back off. Now, if you're a person who suffers with tension headaches, really get stuck in there, because when you release those muscles off, that'll help resolve the tension headaches. And then start really massaging and working the scalp. Now you can do it with your fingertips, you can do it with the heels of your hand, but spend a good 5 minutes in there really working it, getting the scalp to relax, getting the muscles to relax, stimulate blood flow to the scalp, and really work the oil in there, because the nutrition in it is really good for the hair follicles. And then again, to stimulate blood flow, I love to use a scalp massager, or it's a hairbrush that's have firm bristles on it. They're sharp, but they don't dig into the skin. They just really stimulate the scalp, and I feel almost like a tingling and a buzzing when I use it, and it really stimulates blood flow to the area. It feels amazing. So I'll use that in total, the massage and the scalp massager or the brush, for 5 to 10 minutes till my head's pretty much buzzing. Feels amazing. Then when I'm done, I'll wrap the second towel around my head. So I'll wring it out, wrap it around my head so it's warm, leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. That just again promotes blood flow to the scalp and helps the oil absorb into the skin. And then I'll either jump in the shower and rinse it out after I've let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, or I'll just go to bed and take care of it the next day. But what I found over the 15 months, not only did I feel far more relaxed and sleeping a lot better, And as you can see from the pictures that I had regrowth of my hair. Now apparently that doesn't happen for everyone because there's genetic factors. I guess I was one of the lucky ones, but you know, those gaps in my scalp, they've pretty much fully filled in. I feel a lot more confident, a lot more relaxed with the world, and I tell you what, doing those scalp massages 2 to 4 times a week feels absolutely amazing. So give it a try, click on the link below and read the whole article to see what else I did, and enjoy it, guys.